Hey everyone, I want to thank the brand that sent me this dresser to try. As you can see, we've got all the pieces and parts laid out. I love that they went ahead and packaged the smaller parts individually in their own little pouches. As you can see, here's the little stands that the dresser is going to stand on. So we'll keep you posted. Let's dive right in. So step one is to attach all these sliders, but all of this is very clearly stated in the manual. You can either do it with the screwdriver they gave you or with a drill screwdriver. Once you've got all of the brackets on the two main panels, you're going to put these dowels in, and that's the next step. So as you can see, steps 2 and 3 just involve putting these on the sides in the appropriate spot, and they come with special screws that turn a quarter of the way to tie it down. All right, the next step is to slide these panels into place. All right, next up is to lay both panels together. This is going to go on top. So once that back panel is on, we basically just put the equivalent of this piece right here just right on top, and that just screws down. Get you a view over here with the little quarter turn screws. All right, the next step is focused on the bottom of the dresser and getting all 4 legs attached appropriately. If you look over here, you can see they are screwed into place, and they all 4 face the outside. Once you have the legs of the dresser on, it's time to actually attach it to the bottom of the dresser. You can see it has the screws on all 4 sides there. Next up is to apply the appropriate dowels and brackets to the actual top of the dresser, and then we'll place it on top of the dresser. And just so you can see those brackets that were on attached to the top piece of the dresser, they're going to pop out the back here to help screw into the wall to help it prevent from tipping over once you pull out the drawers in the front. Next up is assembling the dresser face and sides. Pretty much the same system with the rest of the dresser, where you put the little dowels on the side, the quarter screws in, and then you just move on from there. All right, so we've got one of the drawers pretty much installed with the exception of the fixtures, which are right there. So we just put the 2 sides on first, and then the bottom, and then the back goes on last. And the fixtures just go in the front, and then there's just a screw in the back that holds them into place. Just another angle of the bottom of one of the dresser drawers. So when you put the 2 sides on, you put this little guy on last, and then this slides into place just like so. Just so you can kind of see the order of how we assembled each drawer. It's coming along nicely. This is my hot quick tip as we were putting these drawers together. This wood is extremely lightweight, and it's very gentle and delicate. So when you are putting the screws in, make sure you just are aware of that and take your time and go slow. It's just very light and very lightweight.